This is so awesome. I can't believe this happened.
Here, look.
This is so awesome. I can't believe this
That
happened.
was a scam. You have to subscribe to them, just so you...
What? Have you done the thing?
Yeah, I tried to do it, but you had to subscribe to them. You gotta pay.
Please.
Tama na.